Hi, I'm Stacey from Wealthful Adventures, and today we are going to unbox the GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition.
'Cause I found my way.
Got my trusty little knife, and here we go. Whoops. That out of the way. Okay, and here is the box unopened. What we have here are some accessories that we ordered. One of them was the light mod and also some ND filters. But we'll go into detail as I get through the box. So first off, we have the GoPro Hero 10 in its box and plastic. These are the ND filters. So what these are basically sunglasses for your camera. If you're shooting outside and you're going for a bit of a more cinematic look, you'll need one of these. I have 3 in this box, but basically what they do is because of a technique that you need to do to shoot better footage outside, they will cut the brightness down a little bit. And here is the light mod. And here is the media mod that we ordered as well. So put this out of the way. Open this up. Okay. Comes in a nice little cardboard box, which you can then just open. Has its own little case. Looks like we've got some instructions, quick setup guide, and some stickers. And the product safety instructions. Okay, looks like we've got a mount and some clips. We did get the swivel mount with this, so we can clip this on to practically anything. What else have we got? Got the handle. There is also a tripod. GoPro itself. Get that out of there. Slide that off, I think. It's got a few bits of film on here that you just peel this off with. Same on the back. And the front one. Here's that little clip I was talking about that we can stick on anything and film pretty much everything. There we go. We also got the spare battery. And we also have a cable for connecting it to the computer. And that looks like everything in that box. So in the media mod kit, yep, up this way. Okay. It's easier way at the bottom. That way. Got a user's guide and some safety instructions. Out of the way. So this is the little media mod. It'll fit over the GoPro so we can get some good audio quality while we're out there shooting. And it also has a few extra additions, little mounts and things we can use to go with it. That's everything.
That's right on the limit that you can't see anymore, so you know.
Oh, forward.
Yep.
So next up is the ND filters. So I'll open this up. These are the Polar Pro ones, which are some pretty heavy duty ones. You can get them straight on the GoPro website. And they come with their own little case.
Which is really good for protection.
Yes. That'll stop you scratching, but the Polar Pro glass is pretty high end. It's one of the top of the line ones on the market, so they are pretty resistant to scratching and that sort of thing. But we get 3 different options here, and I'll shoot another video later which will explain how to use these. Also get a little dust cleaner. What is this? And the quick start guide. And last but not least is the light mod kit. So the reason we ordered this was for being able to shoot in low light situations. So at night, for instance, if you want to shoot while you're doing a barbecue outside and you want to use the outdoor lights, this would be the perfect solution for that. It just sits on top of the camera. Once you've got the media mod on, it'll slide in here into the horseshoe mount. Okay, so we've got some more manuals. So user's guide and product information and safety. Let's get this off. It's nifty. It was clipped into there, so it just slides right out. And we have our little connection bit as well. That over there with everything. Okay, so this is the little light that will sit on top of here using the little horseshoe mount that we've got here. This is a little cover, or what we call a diffuser. So what it will do is, instead of doing full direct light, you can kind of cut that off a little bit, but we'll show you all that later on how to use that in the low light and what you can do with it. So that's everything that's in the box. I will now shoot some B-roll and insert that for you.